Ensure your project's success with the ES2, the screw-nut sliding mechanism. It is the market reference sliding door mechanism for mass transit and suburban trains, and among the highest selling door mechanisms in the world. The ES2 offers demonstrated reliability. Nearly 200,000 ES2 units are in service in 29 countries around the world. Among the many clients who have installed the ES2, Alstom, CAF, Siemens, Hyundai Rotem and CRRC have selected it for metros, while SNCF, Irish Rail, KCR and MTR have selected it for regional trains. Field tested for more than 30 years, it is adapted to the changing needs of Wabtec's clients. Maintenance is simple, as the ES2 is 95% standardized for operators, so that maintenance requirements are similar regardless of the train type or company. Simplifying the design also means fewer parts are required, streamlining upkeep. A single actuator powers closing, opening and locking and reduces costs. The ES2 enables high modular integration, meaning it is adaptable to your project specifications. It allows for free operator orientation and different freeways on single or double-leaf doors. The ES2 offers demonstrated reliability, simple maintenance and high modular integration. Choose the ES2 and keep moving forward with Wabtec.